Hi guys, and welcome to Fix Savers. Today we're bringing you another in our series of pool table videos. In this particular video we're going to be looking at what is the correct distance between the playing surface of your pool table and your pool table light. So let's take a look. Now, one of the things you can do to help you determine that correct height for your particular design of light is to do a physical test, and that's what we're going to do today in this video. So what we've done for this physical test is we've marked out on the floor. We've actually done it using pieces of scrap wood, but in your particular case, you might use masking tape or whatever. You just need a piece of your floor where you can perform this test and mark out the correct size of the playing surface of your table. That's not the overall length and width of your pool table, that's the actual playing surface. The pool table that we're measuring for today is a 9-foot table. 9-foot tables have a 100-inch by 50-inch playing surface. That will vary, so I'll put on screen for you right now what the typical playing surface areas are depending on what size of table you have. So the way this test works is very simple. All we're going to do is power up these lights, have one person hold them and move them up and down as required until you see the beam of your light on the floor spread out so it fully illuminates your playing area in both width and length. And then once you've got that to a position that you're happy with, the second person's going to take the measurements, and that's what you're going to work from. This test of course does work best if you can either dim or switch off the other lights whilst you perform it, so you can actually see specifically the beam that are coming from your pool table lights. Okay, so we've been playing around and doing a few measurements on this physical test, and we think for these particular lights the correct height is going to be about 36 inches from the playing surface of the table, represented by the floor for the case of this test, and the bottom of the shades, which is where we've measured from, is about 36 inches for these particular lights. Now, it's always a good idea to perform this test before you hang your lights, because the design of pool table lights can vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. You may well find on many of them that they have a very triangular conical shaped lampshade that gives a very wide beam of light, but on different kind of designs, more modern designs, those shades might be different. They'll throw light in a slightly different way. So doing it this way rather than just kind of working off the average will help you work out what works for your particular table and your particular setup. Okay, so we now know how high these lights should be fitted in relation to the pool table bed. A couple of things you're going to need to know is, if you haven't already built your pool table, what's the average pool table bed height? It actually varies a little bit from table to table, but you're going to find most of them around 30 inches, give or take a maximum of an inch. So 30 inches is a good figure to work from. And then obviously you can have 30 inches from the floor, plus your 36 inches in our case to the bottom of the lights, and then we can measure that gap and find out where we need to be in relation to the ceiling, and that will determine how long we need to make our hanging chains, and we can go ahead and get this all set up ready for the pool table. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have, we really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up, a like on YouTube in exchange, and also if you could subscribe. We have lots more great content coming your way. So thanks for joining us once again here at Fix Savers, and hopefully we'll see you again really soon.